Hey everybody, in lesson 6 of Visual Latin, we learned that nouns and adjectives agree with each other. It's actually pretty easy to see on the charts. Up here we have nouns and down here we have adjectives. Now let's just focus for a moment on the nominative, which we talked about. That's used for the subject of the sentence. Notice that if we wanted to say someone had a tall horse, or we have a phrase in English, get off your high horse, we would use the word equus, and we would go down here. Since equus is masculine, we would go down and find the masculine adjective that's also in the nominative case. Equus is in the nominative case. And we would use the masculine nominative singular ending. So this side is singular all the way down. And notice that this is masculine, nominative, and singular. So the ending would be altus. So equus altus would be the high horse. If we wanted to tell everybody to get off their high horses, we would just go to the plural side, equi alti. All right, if someone was on the high road, we'd say via alta. Notice how the endings match. If everyone were on their high roads, we'd say via alte. If someone were given a high gift, or you could also translate altum as tall, so a tall gift, you would have donum altum. Notice how the endings match. Or dona alta, the tall gift. Okay, so with adjectives, if you have an adjective that is singular, masculine, if you have a noun that is singular, masculine, and in the nominative case, and you want to describe it, then you have to go look for a noun that is singular. I keep getting this mixed up. You have to go look for an adjective that is singular, masculine, and nominative. And that's this one right here. So let's say we were going to describe something that is genitive. So we wanted to say of the horse. We would have a noun that is genitor and genitive. So equi. It's masculine and it's singular. I think I was thinking singular and genitive a minute ago and created a new word, genitor. I don't even know what that means. Anyway, genitive, singular, and masculine, we would have this word here, equi. Now, if we wanted an adjective to describe it, we wanted to say, I am tired of this tall horse. I am tired of this high horse. We would need an adjective. So we'd go down here and we'd find the adjective that is genitive, masculine, singular. Alti. And this is called adjective noun agreement when you're talking about languages, because they agree with each other. They match up, you could say. So to the high horse, equo alto. The high horse, like I see the high horse, video equum altum. I am on the high horse in equo alto. And of course it works the same with the plural. The high horses equi alti, of the high horses equorum altorum, to the high horses equis altis, the high horses equos altos, like you see them, something's happening to them. With the high horses or on the high horses, equis altis. And you do the exact same thing with feminine words. So since via is feminine, we're not going to go over here and say via altus, the high road. Nope. We're going to keep them matching up. They're going to agree with each other. Via alta. The high roads, via alte. We went to the plural side. Of the high road, via alte. To the high road, via alte. I see the high road, via altam. On the high road, via alta. The high roads, via alte. Of the high roads, viarum altarum. To the high roads, viis altis. On the high roads, I see the high roads, let's say, vias altas. And on the high roads, viis altis. And then, of course, the same with the neuter. Since we're in the neuter category over here, we're going to stay in the neuter category down here with the adjectives. We're not going to say donum altus. because then those two wouldn't agree. They're not in the same column. So dono altum means the high gift. Doni alti, of the high gift. Dono alto, to the high gift. Donum altum, the high gift. Like I received it. Dono alto, in the high gift, in the tall gift. And then we could do the same thing with the plural. That's how you make adjectives and nouns agree with each other.